we have taken a look at the creation of data variables by using a types keyword. There is another way of declaring a variables in SAP by using a like keyword. To illustrate that, let us create an example how we can do that. So data, my intention is to store the details of a customer where it has the attributes of first name, middle name, last name, his age and his gender. For that we need to create five variables. First is first name, which can have a type of character of how many length. So length indicates till what length it should accept. It should accept around 30 characters. At the same way, data LV middle name of type C, length is 30 characters. Data LV last name type character of length 30 characters. Data LV age is of type I, integer. So integer can have any number of values, right? Same way LV data GND of type C, length only 1. So either we can declare length only 1 or we can directly use this. We can omit this statement because by default system will understand with type C it indicates only one character. So it assigns only one character to gender even though we don't write the statement of length 1. LV's first name type C, LV middle name type C, LV last name type C, LV age of integer, LV gender of character. LV first name equal to SAP. LV middle name equal to LV last name equal to world. LV age is equal to 45. LV gender is equal to male. So I'm writing the data that we have. VFIRS first name, V middle name, V last name, V age, V gender. Let us check for any syntactical errors. No. Let us pretty print and then activate. It is activated and then execute. So the data that you have displayed, LV first name, then middle name, then last name, then LV age, then gender. You can also write the same statement as LV first name dot WRITE. So both of them represents the same. And then pretty print. So both of them represent the same. For easy readability of the program, I have used this operator of double dot, and then I have made use of this comma. So soon after using this comma, system will think that You need not to write the right keyword. Instead, you can use the same right keyword that you have provided in the top statement, and then just use the comma keyword, comma statement operator. So this way, system will have an idea that I'm trying to write all the data variables in one single line. Either you can use the right statement, right keyword for multiple lines, or you can also do that by using a single right and then joining all the data variables by using this comma. Make sure that this double dot operator is available and then activate. Let us execute. So both of them has performed the same functionality. Now the other way of using the other way of creating the variable is the first statement. We have mentioned system that LV first name is of type C, means character, which is going to accept a maximum length of 30 characters. Now the second statement, LV middle name is of same type character and then maximum length of 30, and the last name is also same, last name is of type character and then maximum length of 30. Here at this point you might have got a question that if my first name, middle name and then last name are of same types, why should we declare multiple times of this type C and then length 30? Instead, you can ask system to create another variable which is having a same type and length as that of first name, which is having the same type and length. I mean, you can ask system for LV middle name to create a variable which is having same type and length as that of the first name. So that can be achieved by using a keyword like first name, like first name. So in this way, system understands that my middle name would have the same data type as that of the first name. So what is the type of the first name? First name has type character and then length 30. So the same way LV last name will have the same attributes as that of the first name, where first name is having an attribute of type character and then length is 30. So in this way you can also create variable by using a like statement. So it need not be a first name, it need not be a first name. So for the last name we can also create it by using LV middle name. Why? Because LV middle name has already been declared. Make sure that the variable that you are using in the like should always be declared earlier. I cannot use a variable LV age here, or 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 LV middle name here in the first name. Why? Because LV middle name is not yet declared. So system doesn't understand what is this LV middle name. Until and unless the variable is declared, you cannot use it. I can use first name here in the second statement. Why? Because LV middle name is already been declared. I can use LV middle name in this third statement because it is been declared in the prior to the statement of execution of third one. So whatever the statement of execution that we are doing, it should get declared prior to that. Let us activate it and then execute. So it is also performed same. And one more important point to be noted: if at all a variable which is not declared but still you are using it in the like statement, it is going to throw an error. First name is already been declared, so it does not throw an error. Full name. So if at all I'm trying to use LV full name where it is not at all declared in the system, it is going to throw an error. LV full name is unknown. It is neither in one of the specified tables nor defined by data statement. So make sure the variable that you are using is also being declared. It is being declared prior to the statement that usage, prior to the statement of usage. So LV full name has to have a character of type C and then length 30 for this functionality.